As usual before the recap, two less formal phrases. We have met Coassaha Shiv. Where are you from? Coassaha Shiv. With a small child you may ask Coassaha Oo. Coassaha Oo. You'll be getting used to hearing oo instead of shiv now.
You may also hear Avil Gaelic acat. Do you have Gaelic? Instead of the more formal Avil Gaelic acav. Avil Gaelic acat.
Fisgur ma hai brianju.
Ha. Seo Callum. Amach gacum.
Hello, Callum. Avil Gaelic acat?
Ha.
Ha, gleva.
And the recap. Where are you from? The formal version. Coassaha Shiv. Where are you from? Coassaha Shiv.
From Portree. A Portree. From Portree. A Portree.
Do you have Gaelic? The formal version. Avil Gaelic acav. Do you have Gaelic? Avil Gaelic acav.
I'm learning Gaelic. Ha mi Gaelic. I'm learning Gaelic. Ha mi Gaelic.
Hallo, Camera Hashiv. Faltje go unet de koik. Unet de koik. In this unit we'll be looking at how to ask for tea, coffee and the occasional stronger drink.
To say you want something, you say, ha mi agiri. Ha mi agiri. 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 Ha mi agiri. Ha mi agiri.
The words for tea and coffee are very similar to the English ones. Eishtjiv.
Martin va, ha mi agiri tea.
Ha mi giori coffee.
Ha mi agiri coffee.
Fisgur ma. Ha mi giori tea.
Say that you want tea.
Ha mi agiri tea. Ha mi agiri tea. Ha mi agiri tea.
Say that you want coffee.
Ha mi agiri coffee. Ha mi agiri coffee. Ha mi agiri coffee. You could also say ha mi agiri cúpa coffee. I want a cup of coffee. Ha mi agiri cúpa coffee. Ha mi agiri cúpa coffee.
There's no quick way of saying please. You'll need the phrase ma sé tolle. Ma sé tolle. 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 Maser tolle. Maser tolle.
Martin va? Hami gyari ti. Maser tole. Tapelief.
Hami gyori coffee, Maser Tole.
Hami gyori coffee, Maser Tole.
Tesger ma. Hami gyori ti mas tolly. Tapelief.
If you want to ask someone what they want, you'll need the question Je hashiv agiri. What do you want? Je hashiv agiri. 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 Je hashiv agiri. Je hashiv agiri. Ask me what I want. Hami agiri coffee. Ask the same question to Shonak.
Tea, Maser tolle. Hami gyri tea. Hami gyri tea le bagne. With milk. Le bagne. Which of the following customers is asking for milk in his drink?
Martin va? Hami gyari ti. Maser tole.
Le bagne.
Le bagne. Tapelief.
Fisker ma challam, hai fuaranju.
Ha, evel shiva gyori coffee.
Ha, hami gyori coffee.
Coffee. Shinne.
Tapelief.
Avil shiva gyri coffee? Do you want coffee? Ha. Yes, I do. We'll meet those phrases again. Shinne. There it is. It was the first customer who said she wanted a drink with milk. Le bagne.
Martin va? Hami gyari ti. Maser tole.
Le bagne.
Le bagne. Tapelief.
She could also have said that she wanted tea le sugar, with sugar. Le sugar. Or without sugar, gan sugar. Gan sugar. Give the Gaelic for the following.
With milk. Le bagne. Le bagne.
Without sugar. Gan sugar. Gan sugar.
With sugar. Le sugar. Le sugar.
It's also possible to ask for white or black coffee. Coffee gal, white coffee, or coffee do, black coffee. Coffee gal, coffee do. Te hashivakiri.
Coffee gal, Maser Tole.
Martin va? Hami gyari coffee. Maser tole.
Le bagne.
Le bagne. Hami gyari coffee gal.
Shinne.
Tapelief.
Fisker ma challam, hai fuaranju.
Ha, evel shiva gyori coffee.
Ha, hami gyori coffee too.
Coffee do. Shinne.
Tapelief.
Sher beha.
Share beha. You're welcome. Share beha. 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 Share beha. Share beha.